MTDCNC are in Elland today. We're at Colchester Machine Tool Solutions. I'm with a familiar face. I've known this gentleman for some years. Keith, it's good to be here talking to you again. What are we going to look at from your side today on the machines that you've got here in this fabulous new facility?
Yeah, well, this is our European Technology Centre for Colchester. We're going to talk about the Typhoon range of machines, from simple 2-axis machines up to multi-axis mill drill subspindle machines. We're also going to talk about the new range of VMCs, the Colchester Storms, and indeed some laser marking as well.
Yeah, these machines have evolved a lot, haven't they? Colchester has got a fantastic name in the market for many years. About 100 years, I believe, you've been selling machines.
Yeah.
And you've got hundreds of thousands of them around the world, I believe.
Yeah, over 100 years and over 100,000 machines in the market, still supporting machines that are 40 years old.
Okay, now this new technology is something else as well. So why should people be interested in what we're going to talk about today? What sort of engineers will like what they'll see?
Well, we've got a great reputation. A lot of people have grown up with Colchester Harrison products. So it's a natural progression for us to move into this sort of technology.
Good stuff, thank you very much. So come back to the channel, keep tuned, because over the coming weeks you're going to see lots of videos from here talking, as Keith said, about multi-axis, also 2-axis turning, and this new range of Storm machines behind us.